Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you very much for joining me for today's video. So it's just a very quick video for the pre-launch for this afternoon's show. That's at 12:30 GMT and I'll leave the link down below and there'll be live demonstrations and loads more details on this brand new collection from Simply Made Crafts. So it's called A Special Day, so it's going to be perfect for your memory keeping and mini albums. So I'll be making this mini album in today's show. You can also use this collection for the gift boxes, gift packaging and invitations. We have some beautiful trellis dies there. So this one is another one that Vicky made, and Vicky has also made this beautiful save the date. So we have stamp sets as well, so there's loads of things that you can make with the collection that we'll be showing you today. So just before I go, I will leave all of the links for everything that I'm showing you down below, and these are the brand new sets here. So we have A Special Day die and stamp set. That's an A5 stamp set. As you can see, they're quite large words there, and these numbers, I have to show you the numbers. Okay, so here are the numbers, nice sized numbers, and this is what they look like once they have been cut out. And next we have this elegant frame die set, which I have used here on this box and also on the album front. And this mat here will also fit the medium album, so that is out of stock at the moment, but this frame here will fit in the medium album. And then we have the elegant pocket and flap die set. So this is what has made these beautiful trellis designs here. Let me quickly show you Vicky's one as well. These beautiful trellises there, and you do get the pocket for that as well. So let's have a quick look inside my mini album. We do have pockets in here as well. So, and also this lovely beautiful envelope will be making an appearance in the show as well. So this album that I'll be making today is perfect for weddings, anniversaries and all those big dates. And we also have this beautiful 12 by 12 paperback. Again, everything is linked down below if you wanted to have a browse before the show. These are absolutely beautiful, stunning papers. Look at that. I don't know which one is my favourite. I think it's got to be one of the floral ones. Let's just give you a quick sneak peek of one of the beautiful floral ones. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I absolutely love that. So these are going to be perfect for christenings, weddings, birthdays, Mother's Day. There are so many things, Valentine's Day even, so many things that you can use this for. So please do join us at 12:30 today. And all the links for those shows will be linked down below, so you can just make sure that you don't miss them, and they'll also be available on replay as well. So thank you very much for joining me. I really hope you like this brand new collection, and I'll see you again soon.